What is good, YouTube? Swift One here. My final thoughts on the ProMark GPS drone. Not bad. Takes some pretty good footage. Really nimble. I just don't like it because it's kind of temperamental about certain settings. Tried to follow me for it from the app on my phone, which, by the way, I can't use my main phone for the app. I don't know why. I've got a damn good phone, but it does everything I want it to do, but it's just got that little electronic fence that I really don't care for. The parameter settings, and they sometimes kick on when you don't want them to. Headless mode works, follow me doesn't. Return home, auto takeoff, auto landing, those all work. But for what I need it for, it's pretty good. You guys see how high up I got it and how good the picture was. Definitely going to upgrade the antennas on the transmitter and the drone itself. 2.5 gig antennas on there on both of them. But I don't know. It's not a Phantom, so I won't be happy till I have one of those. But it is an alright drone. It did do what I wanted it to do. In closing, though, buy a DJI. Swift One, and I'm out.